Hello everyone, this is Ali from 241 Coding, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to insert custom fonts using HTML. So before I show you how to do that, I'm first going to explain to you why would you need to use a custom font from, let's say, Google Fonts. So as we see, we have our header here. So if we went into our CSS and we want to customize this header with a font family, you can see that we are limited to these options. So to get a custom font family, we're going to go to Google Fonts, so fonts.google.com. Now you should then be on a screen that looks somewhat like this, and then you can pick whichever font you like. So let's pick one that has quite a few styles. So let's pick this one. So as you see, we have all these different styles. So you can select whichever style you want. So let's select the regular 400. So then you will click select this style and copy this text over here. And we have to put that in the head tag. So copy that, go to our HTML, and put that just above our title in the head tag. Now to actually add the font, we're going to copy this code snippet and go to our CSS and set that as the font family. So just copy the font family there, and let's go to our document, and it's not there yet. So that is because we have not linked our HTML and CSS, so we are up here also going to add the link tag and link it to style.css. Now if we go to it, we can see that our text has changed font. Now if we want to do this to another font, we will go back. Let's select this font. We again click select this style. So first we'll remove all, and then we'll select the style. Then again we have to copy for this code. Again go to our head and put it just under where we linked it to CSS. Now if we create a paragraph and write lorem 40 to generate dummy text and go back to our CSS, now we can do the paragraph. So again, we do the font family, just copy that code, paste it in, save it, go to our document, and boom, we have our text with that font. So that's actually all there is to it, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, as it would help me out a ton.